yes, yes. Oh, yes, good afternoon. Today is a very bright day like me. Yes? Yes, okay, right. Today I'm going to show you all a very simple cake, butter cake. Okay? It's very easy. Okay? Right. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to use my magic cooker as usual. Today is tea time will be butter cake. Yes, so I'm going to add in, okay. So how are you all today? Very good, right? Okay. So have you all been doing exercise? Today we don't come on live because we wanted to do it in Zoom. So we have already given you all the link. You all can go and register, and then you all can uh, do exercise with us in the Zoom every day at 8:30. And then this Sunday we are going to Bishan Park. Okay, those of you all who are near Bishan Park, okay, you all are invited and everybody are invited because we wanted to have a good and healthy community. So that is why we are all inviting everybody, and we are also advertising for having a good lifestyle also. Yeah, okay. And during so everybody must be healthy, right? Yes. That is one thing you all have to keep in mind. You all must be healthy. If not, you all cannot fight the virus. Okay, if you are going out, still wear your mask. Okay, don't forget. Okay, I've already added in butter and sugar. Okay, I've just given a quick stir. Okay, butter I've used about 250 grams. Okay, and of sugar, that's about it. Okay, and after this I'm going to add in my eggs. 4 eggs. I'm going to use 4 eggs. Okay, why I'm using in this magic cooker is it is very fast. I don't need to my cake beater to beat it, and then waste of time and all that, waste of current also. Okay, anyway, this is good. Okay, I've already stirred in the butter and the sugar, right? And then I'm going to use eggs as usual, 4 eggs. Okay, put one by one. Okay, one, here we go, and then give a stir. Okay, looks lovely, and yes, okay, it's already incorporated. One egg, and there goes my next egg. Okay, do one at a time, so it will be good. So you can incorporate all the eggs at the go. Okay, right. And also by putting one by one, you will know whether your egg is spoiled or not. You don't put everything inside and then your whole cake is spoiled, right? So use one by one. Yes. So this is another one more. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, nice smell. Normally when you do butter cake, right, you have a beautiful, nice aroma. I like the butter smell. I'm using SES butter, so that is always a good one. And when you break all the eggs, and also you can avoid all the shell. Okay, that is another trick about beating one by one the eggs. Okay, wow, lovely. Yes. Okay, and then one more. Okay, my dear friends. And also this cooker, if you are using, you have to use only a bit of oil also when you are cooking. So that is one great thing about this cooker, and it's very easy. Okay. You all forgot something. Yes, the flour. Okay. I'm done. I said I'm finished with the butter. Yeah. And don't forget your vanilla essence. It will give you the nice smell, and also it will cut off the egg smell. Okay, I'm just going to pour 1 teaspoon, and also I'm going to add in my this one. See, buttermilk. I'm going to use buttermilk in my recipe today. Okay, guys, it's going to be very nice. Yes. Oh, such a lovely sight it is, and it is looking very beautiful. The color, right? The butter, the egg, and everything looks very yellowish. So that is why we call it butter cake. Okay. Okay. Okay, this is with all the butter, eggs, sugar, vanilla essence, and my buttermilk. Yes, that is very great, right? Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I've already steamed the flour. How much flour? Okay, that's a good question. It's about 230 grams of flour. See, I can remember. Okay, so easy. Just add in your flour a bit by bit. Okay, don't forget. Okay, if not your hand will pain. No, it's not like that. Actually, it's very good to incorporate little by little so the flour can be absorbed in the butter and the mixture. Okay, the mixture. Yeah. If not, you will get lumps, and then you will have a hard time stirring it. So it is good to put a bit by bit. Okay. Okay. Okay, here we go. Yes, done. Already done. Everything is done. I've already kept everything here, and quickly stir. Okay, don't stir too much. If not, your cake will become like a rock. Okay, just stir in the flour a bit by a bit. Yeah. Fantastic color. I like the color. I don't know why. When I'm doing the butter cake, right, I like the color. It's kind of a yellowish. Yes. Oh, goodness. It is fantastic. Yeah. Oh, it's done, huh? Okay, that's about it. You can see. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Okay, okay. Yes. My this one, yeah. Okay, so just give a quick stir. Okay, don't worry. See? Okay, my dear friends, that's about it. And that's it, done. And here we go, I show you. Okay, it's very simple and easy. If you know the basic, okay, this is the batter. Okay, see, it's flowing, it's flowing, right? That means it's good. Alright, if there's not enough, or if it doesn't flow and you just stick to the pot, that means you need little bit more of milk or water. Alright, okay, this one is okay because I can see the things like this falling, right? Yes, so it is kind of, it's okay. Alright, okay my dear friends, so this is it, and I hope you all have liked this segment. Another cake recipe, okay, and maybe another few more days later, maybe I'll come up with another few more recipes. Okay, I'll come and show you all. Okay, this is my life today. Butter cake, and I'm going to eat it. I'm going to put it in the bake function. You all know the bake function, 40 minutes. Okay, and it will be ready. And later on, I will post my butter cake in the Facebook, and you all can watch it. Okay, alright. Okay, thank you for watching my dear friends, and I hope you all have a good day. Right? Okay, if you all are looking for something worthwhile buying, okay, this is one of the assets you can have. Okay, this is for life. You can have it. It's very good. It's very easy. We have a lot of functions in there: soup function, meat function, bake function, then they have slow pressure, stir fry, porridge, rice, multi-grain, and then steam and slow cook. There are a lot of functions inside here. So if you are looking for something which is very easy, especially for us working mothers, we need to be quick and clean. Yes, that is the word. Quick and clean. Alright, this is quick and it is clean. Doesn't spill anywhere, and you can just clean only this and all the flour and all that. That's about it. Nothing else is there. Okay, right? Okay, my dear friends. Okay, so I will see you all in another segment. I'm going to close this, and I'm going to just put for 40 minutes. Okay, right? Okay, I hope you all have enjoyed this segment. Another day I will come back and show you all some other recipes. Okay, all right, and have a good day, my dear friends. Okay, and don't forget our Zumba is every day 8:30. You all can go and click the link and register yourself. So anyway, to keep fit, we don't need anyone to bother you, right? You can do it in your own home. That's why we want to do it in Zoom. Okay, when we do it in live, most of y'all maybe cannot, y'all don't want to do it because you are at your own home, right? Yeah. So if you do it in Zoom, there you are, you have done your workout also, and at the same time you can lose your weight. Like me, look at me, I'm really happy about my weight now, and I'm very healthy. Okay, right. Okay, my dear friends, another healthy cooking, butter cake, and I'll come back another day for another recipe for all of you all to see. Okay, right, and keep fit, stay healthy, wear your mask when you're going out, and be happy, smile. Okay, this is Louise. I'll catch up with you all another day. Alright, okay, bye. See you all.